everybody, Gaahleri's done something new. Another new release from Gaahleri's come out, and this one is gonna be a really good one. And I've got a project that this is exactly what I needed. So guys, let's hop in, let's unbox this new air compressor. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about Gaahleri's new Turbo X Mini. Their new air compressor in their new line that brings a lot of featured upgrades, a lot of things I think are going to be really cool. And for me, this is going to help me in a project that's coming after the 1st of June. So I needed another compressor in the shop. Just happened to coincide with this release. So we're going to get this out of the box today. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the specs and just kind of take a look at what does this offer over your more standard air compressor from like Master or No Name or any of the other competitors out there. Why this one may be a step ahead of the line. So Gaahleri compressors, I have two of them in the shop. I have their big compressor and I have the Serena air compressor for when I'm out traveling out and about, which I do take my airbrush, and the Serena air is also kind of nice and really strong because I like to take it outside, plug it in, and prime outside. So that kind of gives me a good flexibility. Both the compressors work really well. I've really enjoyed them. So adding another one to my group, I'm actually kind of enjoying this. So, and I'm kind of happy to see this one. So, but before we start digging into details, if you're new here and you haven't watched any videos about 3D printing, model painting, building, blah, please hit that subscribe button and join us, as we got a lot of projects going on. We got a lot of things happening, cool new toys all the time, and all in all, deep diving into the hobbies. So, and if you are a subscriber and you're interested in helping out the channel with cool stuff like this, please consider joining our membership. It's starting as low as $1. You guys help support getting equipment into the shop like this, helping even $1 helps make a video about a product. So definitely kind of one of those things. Please consider joining the membership, and also hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy seeing things like this. So again, Gaahleri's newest compressor. This is brand new release. Gaahleri's doing a lot of new releases lately. So all in all, 18 pressure levels, high precision digital gauge, which caught my attention. Most compressors don't give you a digital gauge. This one does. Dual modes for stable spraying, compact size, ultra quiet. So the Turbo X Mini compressor airflow is up to 18 OL per minute. Rated pressure is between 8 and 36 PSI. Operating noise, 48 decibels, or 40 decibels. Maximum pressure is 48 PSI, 18 adjustable levels. Dimensions, it's really small, guys. You're gonna see it here in a minute. Comes with an air hose and adapters in the box. The only thing this one doesn't come with compared to the Serena Air is no airbrush. So, taking that into account, let's pop this box open and take a look at it. So of course we have the beautiful quick start guide. We have foam, and we have the compressor. So we've got a box. Guys, this is how small this compressor is. The box was already small, but it's not even 2/3 of the box. So, and one of the things that, and I'm gonna point out some features here that catch my attention really well. Initial power on, press and hold to power on. There's the button, and press and hold to start. Digital display, great casing. It's plastic casing, but also the suction cup feet. That way, we limit vibration, which is also a very cool thing, because no one wants the little thing vibrating off your desk. Pull out the rest of the box, we got our air hose. Excellent. So let's get rid of the box. Say goodbye, Gaahleri box. Again, if you want to look at the back specs again, there they are, just as I read off. So some of the other features that weren't read onto that box is overheat protection. So this one will tell you when it's getting too hot, and also it has a self-shutdown mode to protect itself when it is overheated. So one of those things, I have overheated compressors in the past. This is a great feature because the compressor is going to shut off and preserve itself. All the other compressors, well, they just kind of seize, and you're kind of up a river without a paddle at that point. So we've got a brush holder, we've got our power cord, we've got an air hose. So all this stuff in the box, and guys, right now in the US, 57 bucks for this is what it's running on the early bird. So some of the features, you notice I said it had modes. So right now it's in standard mode. And what the standard mode, I'm going to explain this. Standard mode and compatibility mode are the two modes right here. In standard mode, it delivers a steady, ample air pressure for every airbrush, for everyday airbrushing. While in compatibility mode or low pressure mode, which that is a hard button to push, when you pop it over here, it basically regulates the airflow for low flow spraying. So basically by minimizing frequent start-stop cycles that can cause pressure fluctuation, ensures a smoother, more consistent airstream, resulting in cleaner and more controlled detailing. So if you're using, for example, you're using a Mobius from Gaahleri, and you're doing a lot of real precise detail, you want to be over in this compatibility or low pressure mode. If you're doing everyday airbrushing with like a Gaahleri 98D or anything like that, you want to be over in the other mode. So kind of keep that in mind. And that's one of the things I actually kind of really like about this is I've got mode options. So right now I'm going to pause because I don't want to turn on a compressor and not have an airbrush connected. So let me get an airbrush connected to the other end of this, and I'll pick up with you guys here in a second. All right, guys, I stole my Gaahleri Seeker, which is the newest, basically the airbrush that has just recently replaced the 98D. Connected it. Quick connect always makes it great for any air hose, switching out your airbrushes. So let's get this guy plugged in. Let's give it a listen. Because, yeah, I'm curious on that 40 decibel thing. The cool thing is, like I said, you got the pressure, you've got the sensors, heat warnings, all that fun stuff. So I didn't even have to press and hold. So oh, wow. So I'm going to turn that up. That's the running noise. And you guys can see it's staying consistent within a 0.5 psi. I'm loaded barrel here. I'm pressing the gun open. Giving her all she's got, Captain. So now this is in the standard mode, so we see that sharp drop. So if I put it over into the other mode, the low pressure mode, you notice it changed its tune. Less sharpness of a drop, way less of a spike, and we're maintaining a much more consistent pressure. That's what we want to see. So if I was using a Mobius right now, I would want this mode, because when I first start blowing air, it stabilizes quickly and stays there. That way when I start pulling back on my trigger to allow paint to come out, I'm not seeing that 0.5 fluctuation. So that is really, really cool. So I'll put it over in the other mode, back in the standard mode. You guys will see the drop is a bit sharper, but then we're staying within that 0.5 tolerance. So all in all, really nice. And I love how small this is. Simple power supply, and when I'm done with it, I unplug it. I can easily throw this in a drawer when I'm not using it. So, and actually I believe this is even smaller than the Serena Air portable compressor. I like the rotatable nozzle. I like being able to control my PSI. The Serena Air does not have heat compensation or the compatibility mode. So that's two things to keep in mind with this, is you gain those modes that you don't have on the Serena Air. The Serena Air, I can only have preset air limits. This I can set whatever I want. So that is really cool. Really nice fluctuated. Very nice, very light, lightweight. You guys will have to subscribe and stay with the channel to find out what's going to happen with this after June, what my real intent with purchasing this is, what's going to happen. But you guys can easily see it's very simple. I love the digital display. I love knowing where my pressure is, so that I can definitely, when I'm wanting low pressure mode, I'm controlling my pressure as low as 7.5 psi. I mean, that is just awesome. So, and when we're down in that low mode, it only keeps 18 on board in the small tank. So, yeah, awesome little compressor. I think this is going to work great for my personal use. Again, that $57 price point, I think it was like $10 shipping and handling and tax on top of it. So, kind of put it right under that $70 mark. In the United States, depending on what state you're in, taxes, all that, blah, blah, blah. But all in all, it's a really nice little compressor, and I think it'll do, for me, it's going to do a fantastic job coupled with my other compressors. So that's it, guys. That's all we're doing today. We're taking a look at this little guy. Stay tuned for some updates on some other model builds that we've been working on. And again, down below in the description is my personal affiliate link to Gaahleri. Every time you guys use that, that does help out the channel as well. And for other items on the Gaahleri site, there is a code, RISE3DBuilds. You use that code, you get a discount. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you in the next one.